Wow, I don't have much time within those weeks here, but I want to make a quick vlog this morning using my new camera here. It's not that bright out yet, and I thought about taking like the GoPro or the Osmo Action with me, but today I decided to use my phone. Now, this iPhone 14 on the selfie stick, it's pretty heavy. Now I also need the mount, you know, where I mount the phone on. I use an Ulanzi bracket to hold it, and that Ulanzi bracket is also heavy. So I may go away from that and get something lighter made out of plastic. But the thing is, you don't just want to drop your phone by accident when it breaks off your selfie stick. So that would be a problem, I think. So I want to avoid that. That's why I thought, I don't go so cheap, you know. This whole thing is all well made. The selfie stick, I don't even know where I got this from, but it's well made, and well made means it's heavy. And that's not so cool, I think, when you have to hold this up all the time. I'm gonna see my hand getting tired from that. And Halloween is done, so happy Halloween to all my viewers here. That was yesterday, and today we are back here in the park, and this is the last few days where you have leaves on the trees and where you have some colors. Very soon we will have snow, and oh, there's a squirrel there. So the dog here is looking at it. It's over there on that tree. And it's just waiting for us to get either fed or eaten. One of both. It's always the same squirrel. It's super big. There it is, look. And with the cinematic camera, it's like a pretty good quality. It goes up higher and higher and higher, and little Lucy here can't wait to go for it. She wants to eat it, I think, or play with it. I'm pretty sure she wants to eat it. The iPhone 14, the image quality is a whole lot better than you have on a GoPro or the Osmo Action. But comes winter, it's going to be cold. And I doubt that the iPhone can handle this extreme cold here in Michigan. We will have snow, a lot of sun. So that, on the other hand, means we need to use ND filters to get the picture better. So that's why I got my set here for the GoPro. If you want to look it up, I post the link here to the filters I got for the GoPro Hero. So Hero 10, after I compared it to the Osmo Action, I favor the Hero 10, but I don't know yet how this is going to go in the winter when it gets cold. Would the Osmo Action be better when it's cold? The most important situation there is it has to work. So if I go here on my walk with the dog and it doesn't work because it's too cold, then it does no good for me, right? And so that's the big question. So I'm not sure if I should get another Osmo Action. If I get another Osmo Action, will it be blurry, out of focus or not? That's the question, right? So how do I know? So do I go back to DJI, order there online? Takes forever to get here, or do I go to the store, buy it there? I'm not sure what the best deal is there. Osmo Action, huh? So yeah, that would be a thing to try it out in the winter when it's cold, if that thing performs better than the GoPro. Image quality, I can tell you right now, a GoPro 5.3K is better than what the Osmo has to offer there. And again, when we have snow, we might need the 10-bit to have more color there in the picture then when it gets dull here in the winter. No, we will see. So I'm gonna keep walking with the dog for a minute. One thing I noticed is that I never look at the camera. So on the iPhone, you have like this green dot there. The green dot and this Paradise Island where they talk about always. And this little island, the animated island. That's where it's the green dot, and that's where you have to stare at because that's where the actual camera is. So all those other cameras, they have it more centered, the camera itself. Just found a piece of art here. While we were walking, somebody did this here. Look at that. Somebody had too much time on their hand. But it is nice. Let's see how focused we are on this. Okay, that's a nice focus, is it? So we got a little rain last night. So our river here does have a little more water in it today. There we go, look at this. Oh, the dog also enjoys it. Look at her. So it looks like today we will have a great day. The sun is coming up again. Another great day to be alive, and I hope you have a great day today, all of you. And I see you in the next vlog, hopefully. And let me know in the comments below how you like the image quality of this camera in particular compared to the GoPro and the Osmo Action when you look at it.